In this video I will describe you Windows 11 Dev version, OS Built-25267 and what is new features of this version of Windows 11. See Windows 11, 25267 version notify me to restart computer. Restart your computer. See Windows 11, 25267 version installed in my computer. What is the new features this version of Windows 11? In this build come with ISOs, a good set of improvements and fixes for insiders, many more known issues and fixes. That's it, enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.